Hello everybody. I am going to demonstrate the first laser peg set to put on my YouTube channel, the 3D Lite Board. This set allows you to build at least 21 models. It is aimed for those ages 5 and up, and you can also play up to 5 games. The laser pegs kits consist of transparent clear plastic blocks or pegs that connect together without the need for special tools, and they contain built-in LEDs that produce different colors when current is passed through them. Here's the back of the box. Here they are, some of the projects that you can build, and you can see how colorful they are. And here are the 5 games that you can play as well. It looks interesting how checkers is one of them. This is the board in which you can build your projects on. The board can use either an AC power transformer or 3 AA batteries when the cord is unplugged. Now note that if you're going to use the batteries, you can only use them and you cannot place the cord in until you remove them. This is the red button to turn the board on so that the laser pegs will light. I'm just going to place a couple on here to demonstrate. The board is already on the first setting. There are 3 different settings, and the pegs glow different colors. Now on the second setting, the pegs will flash slowly. And on the third setting, they will flash rapidly. Be aware that if you are setting the pegs on the highest setting, the flashing lights may cause seizures or other health issues in people with epilepsy or other medical conditions, so please be careful. Here is the manual for the set, and it shows you the different models you can build. You have the games. They tell you how to play. There's checkers. And then here they start with the projects, and they show you the difficulty levels for each of them. Now, the projects are not in order by difficulty level. This is the second lowest difficulty level, but the highest one is 4, while the lowest one is number 1. It's important to follow the instructions very carefully and make sure you have the correct pieces so that you do not make any mistakes. And it looks like we have some very interesting ones, but I will demonstrate all of them in subsequent videos. With that said, thank you very much for watching the demonstration of the 3D Lite Board laser peg set. Please stay tuned for the projects as they will come very shortly.